of the desert. My mother died, giving me life, deprived of the love of a father. I was blamed for the loss of his wife. You know, Lord, I've been in a prison for something that I've never done. But it's been one hell after another, and I've climbed them all one by one. But oh, this time, Lord, you gave me a mountain. Well, a mountain that I may never climb. Well, it isn't over here any longer. Lord, you gave me a mountain this time. My woman got tired of the heartaches. She got tired of the grief and of the strife. She was tired of just working for nothing. She was tired of just being my wife. She took my reason for living. She took my pride and my joy. She took my one ray of sunshine. When she took my small baby boy. But